Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today HYMCW just filed a current report on Form 8 and it is focused on exploration activities, hinting at where the company is headed. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The big takeaway here is a clear signal that Hycroft Mining is heavily invested in expanding its exploration efforts, which could be a game changer for their future production. Let's dive into what this report from Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation is all about. Essentially, this is an update on their exploration work at the Hycroft mine in Nevada. Companies file these forms to keep investors informed about significant events that aren't necessarily part of their regular financial reporting cycle. This particular filing is a Form 8K, which is like a current report for really important stuff that happens between their bigger quarterly or annual reports. Think of it as a notification for something new and noteworthy. The company in focus is Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, identified by the ticker HYMCW. They are involved in mining, and this report zeroes in on their activities at a specific mine. The report is dated the 21st of April 2026, and that is also the date of the earliest event they are reporting on. This means whatever they are announcing happened right around this time. The core of this report falls under Regulation FD disclosure, which stands for fair disclosure. This rule basically means that if a company releases important information, they have to make sure everyone gets it at the same time, not just a select few people. This filing is their way of broadcasting this information publicly. So, what exactly did they announce? They released a press release that gave an update on their exploration work at the Hycroft mine located in Nevada. Exploration in mining is all about searching for new mineral deposits, or figuring out how much of a known deposit can be mined profitably. It is a crucial part of a mining company's business because it impacts their future reserves and potential revenue. The press release itself is included as an exhibit, which means it is part of the official filing. This is important because it means the details within that press release are considered part of this official SEC report. Sometimes these exhibits contain more color and detail than the main body of the 8K. This section just lists out the exhibits that are part of the filing. It is like the table of contents for the supporting documents. Here we see Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release dated the 21st of April 2026. This is the document that holds the actual news about their exploration activities. Unfortunately, the text of this press release isn't included in the filing itself but is referenced as an attachment based on the filing. The content of the press release signaled positive developments from their exploration work. Mining companies like Hycroft are constantly looking to upgrade their known mineral reserves and discover new ones. This is what allows them to plan for the future, secure financing, and ultimately produce more metal. An update like this suggests they might be seeing promising results from their current exploration efforts. This could mean they are finding more gold and silver, or that existing deposits are proving to be richer or more extensive than previously thought. We also see a reference to Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. This is a technical requirement within the world of SEC filings, allowing for easier machine readability of the document structure and content. Looking at the external context, recent headlines indicate that Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, ticker HYMCW, has been engaging an engineering firm to assess underground mining options. This filing, which mentions updates on exploration activities, ties in perfectly with that news. It suggests that the exploration work might be uncovering potential that warrants further engineering studies for underground extraction. As underground mining can be more complex and costly, but also allows access to deeper, often richer, ore bodies. The fact that they are actively exploring and engaging engineering firms to look at underground options suggests a company that is not just maintaining its current operations, but actively trying to grow its long-term resource base. This is what investors want to see in a mining company, a commitment to finding and developing new resources for future production. From a high-level perspective, Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation has around 51 employees. This relatively small workforce for a mining operation could suggest a focus on efficiency or perhaps a phase of the mining cycle where extensive exploration is more manpower intensive than full-scale extraction. Their main trading symbol for class of common stock is HYMCS, and it is listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC, while this 8K filing is focused on exploration updates and not direct financial statements. The underlying implication is financial. Successful exploration can lead to increased reserves, which in turn can support higher asset valuations, attract further investment, and potentially lead to improved financial performance down the line through increased production and revenue. Considering the broader market and news around HYMCW, there was recent news about them achieving debt, free status, and boosting institutional ownership. This kind of operational progress and financial soundness combined with exploration success. paints a picture of a company potentially on an upward trajectory. It is important to remember that exploration is inherently risky. Not all exploration activities yield positive results. However, the company's continued investment in this area, as highlighted by this 8K and the related news about engineering assessments, signals confidence from management that they are on the right track. The real impact of this exploration update will be seen in future filings, particularly as more detailed financial reports become available that might reflect updated reserve estimates or project feasibility studies stemming from these exploration findings. For now, this filing serves as an important announcement that they are actively pursuing growth through discovery. Alright, that is my take. Stay decoded if you want the broker and charting tools I use. They are in the description below and help support the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord if you found this useful.